Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to fix OnlyFans login issues. So I just tap on my browser where I logged in on my OnlyFans account. How to fix it? The first step is to make sure which browser you will have logged in. Make sure go in the settings and just tap to clear cache. So here you will see I will just move on the home page and just tap on my settings of iPhone, and after I will scroll down to find Safari web browser. I will just open it and a little bit scroll down. Here you will see the clear history and clear data. I will just tap on it and this will be make a clear cache on web browser. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.